Hey, this is Scott, and I think you've probably heard how low rates are right now for buyers. 3.37% just today. Now, everybody can figure out how that helps buyers, but give me just a second, and I want to tell you how that can also create some hardships for buyers. Stick around. Low interest rates are a great thing when you're looking to buy a house. It gives you more buying power, and it means that you're going to have less monthly payments in dollars down the road. But here's the downside to low rates. We're going into the prime selling season right now for houses, and it's already a low inventory level. That means you're going to be competing with that many more people out there looking for houses right now, and with low interest rates, low inventory, the prices on houses are going to be going up, and they're going to be going up fast. So this is my advice to you. If you're thinking of buying a house soon, you got to get a hold of me. We got to get out there, we got to get the search going, we got to get our ducks in a row, and we're going to make this process simple for you. But you can't wait. So get a hold of me, let's make a plan, and let's make this work for you. I'm Scott Dickinson. As always, go out and be a good human, and don't mind my neighbor's dogs. Have a great day.